Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Legacy Edition Arctic Fox by Northwood Manufacturing. This is the 990 model. Come on inside. So notice on the Legacy Edition, it's going to have all blackout accessories, awning, jacks, ladder, steps, bumper, with the gray fiberglass exterior and the Legacy 2020 edition badging with the automotive LED spotlight out the back end for patio light. Come on inside. This is going to have a nice big dinette area that has the Easy Glide table, solid surface countertop here. It glides down, makes into a full 6-foot bed. Nice cushions, very thick, thicker than most everybody in the industry. This is going to have dual pane windows. I'll show you outside. These are the frameless. You've got the big refrigerator, Norcold, refrigerator freezer. Little rack here for spices or whatnot here. We get up here into the bedroom area. Queen size bed, full 60 by 80. Closet space on both sides for clothes or whatnot, as well as noticing the individual lights left and right, as well as 110 plugins and USB plugins on both sides. Fantastic fan above. Plenty of head space. LED TV that's on a fold-out bracket. Over here we have our control center. Our AM, FM, CD, DVD, MP3 player, plays everything right there. Movies through for your TV, thermostat control, and our solar. This is going to have a solar above. Overhead cabinetry. Nice big kitchen sink countertop area. One-piece basin sink. Nice big cutting board and/or sink cover. 3-burner cooktop, the new Furrion cooktop. Grill top area here. Nice big deep oven here. The overhead stainless package with the Furrion microwave. Nice backsplash. Pull-out pantry with adjustable shelving. Real nice. And then a fixed pantry down below. Big skylight in the ceiling. This one's going to have the air conditioner, onboard generator. Normally we get the bigger air conditioners for these with the generator. A little storage underneath here. Storage underneath the dinette there. And a big pull-out drawer here on this end. Nice solid wood drawer cabinet there. This is going to have the extra additional step that goes at the bed area, as well as an extension countertop that goes in front of that bed by day. Real nice feature with Northwood. One-piece wet bath with skylight. Notice in the corners it's all rounded, so it's a one-piece shower install, so we don't have to worry about leakage there. Very nice idea the way they designed that. As you come outside here, exterior speakers out the patio, power awning. It's got the Fox landing. We have the quick LP disconnect there for about outside barbecue. 2500 watt generator. This step will unpin, pull out, and we got a 4-foot Joey tray underneath there that pulls out. Now this is going to have the curbside slide, meaning that when we pull over, the slide out's going to go out on the curbside, not into the road area, into the traffic. So again, well-designed camper. Magnetic catch there. The new graphics for the Legacy Edition. The frameless windows. Still has the one-piece wrapped nose piece. The new badging. The flush-mounted LED lights. Outside motion lighting out here on the exterior that you can set for motion and or leaving it on for just being a bright light. Place for dual batteries here with the pull-out tray. magnetic catch, exterior shower, gas and electric hot water heater, pre-wired for your ZAMP exterior portable solar. Notice no raw materials down here, it's all diamond plate. Again, no chance for exposure to the elements and create delamination or rotting. Big 2 7-gallon propane tanks. So we got 14 gallons of propane right there. Access to our drain tanks and our low point drains and whatnot there. The Rico Titan heavy duty jacks. These are, if you notice, if you look at the specs, these jacks are capable of a lot more weight capacity than what you see on most of the other brands. Full walkable roof, and as you see when you look on their website, that they show, I think they're up to 36 people standing on the roof of a camper. The big bold ladder here that gives us access up there, as well as this Fox landing step folding up in case we're pulling a trailer. That wraps it up with this camper. This is the Arctic Fox 2020 Legacy Edition. It can still be available in the white graphics like a normal Arctic Fox camper. This is a special edition, so there's only so many made. You know, get it while they're there. We ordered a handful of them, so make sure you contact us if you're looking for this new edition that's a limited edition. Again, my name is Clay Thompson at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Feel free to holler. I'd be happy to assist with any of your RV needs. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.